guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you the Raquel Welch Heat-Friendly Synthetic Collection Wig Scene Stealer. The color is a Fall 2019 Cool Tones Collection new color RL17/23SS Iced Latte Macchiato. We'll take a closer look at the color later in the video. Scene Stealer is a bestseller, and there's no question why. Long razor tapered layering and this luxurious length that cascades mid-back makes this style indeed a scene stealer. You will definitely turn some heads wearing this style. It features a sheer indulgence lace front that's beautiful. It has a full monofilament top, and the patented true-to-life heat-friendly fibers means that you can add curls, waves, style this wig any way that you choose. Well, let's take a closer look at this beautiful style in this newer color. Scene Stealer's 1.5 inch deep, virtually invisible sheer lace front offers natural looking off the face styling. You have a single layer of monofilament where each fiber is individually knotted one by one on the entire top for a low density, natural forward movement and flexible parting. On either side you have the velour lined adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The patented Memory 2 cap has a lighter and cooler construction. It is stretchy, and it has this fine stretch lace that conforms to the shape of your head for an almost custom-like fit. On either side of the nape are Velcro adjustable straps, which allow you to change the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, here is Scene Stealer. This is a long, layered, gorgeous style that definitely lives up to its name. It has an average cap size, which measures 22 inches in circumference. My head size is exactly that, and this wig fits me a little snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. So I don't think that this wig would work well for someone with a larger than average head size. The fiber is true to life heat-friendly fiber. Now this fiber feels a tad bit coarser than Raquel Welch's non-heat-friendly fiber. It still has the look and touch, feel if you will, of human hair, and there is no shine, which is fabulous. The lace front is meticulous on Scene Stealer. It is sheer indulgence, temple to temple. Look at that. Perfection. Scene Stealer comes out of the box with a left-hand side part, but this is a full monofilament top, which gives you unlimited parting options. Take a look at this beautiful monofilament parting. It looks like the hair is growing right out of your scalp. So well done. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Really nice natural movement with this style. Be sure to look at all of the layering. Right side. Scene Stealer's measurements are 9 3/4 long at the fringe. The sides are 12.5 inches long. The back and crown is 12.5 inches long, and the nape is 15 inches long. I am wearing Scene Stealer in the Cool Tones Collection Fall 2019 color RL17/23SS Iced Latte Macchiato. This is a pale ash brown base with cool blonde highlights and dark roots. It is not a 2 or a 4 dark brown. The highlights are heavier at the front, so it really brightens the face. This is not a warm or neutral color, definitely a cool color. Well, let's take a closer look at this color outside. You have unlimited styling options with Scene Stealer. This wig looks really beautiful tucked behind the filament top. You can part this wig in any direction that you choose. This wig currently is parted on the left. Let's see what the style will look like parted in the center. Wow, a whole new look. Now let's part this style on the right. I love how easy the fibers are to work with. Oh my goodness, look at that. Gorgeous parting space. This is why Raquel Welch is one of my favorite wig brands. I mean, look how easy it is to part it, and the parting space. Just fantastic. The true-to-life heat-friendly fiber means that you can style this wig with curls or waves using heat tools on a medium setting up to 350 degrees. There is no permatease with this style. However, because of the density, if you'd like to volumize it, you certainly can just using your fingers or teasing it up with a wide tooth comb. Ooh, look at that. If you're interested in purchasing Scene Stealer, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry Scene Stealer in all of the beautiful Raquel Welch colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you visit the homepage, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% off coupon. You can use it immediately. And you'll receive email alerts about sales and new releases. If you have questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave them in the comments section below. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.